In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix use secure DNS. This setting is disabled on managed browsers. Now, this is very easy to go ahead and do this. The first thing you want to do is remove the management registry keys. It's the most common fix for personal laptops that have ghost policies from old software. So what you want to do is press Windows and R and then go over to regedit. So I'm going to just highlight everything here, close it, and then regedit like so. Go ahead and press OK. It's going to open up your registry editor. Then navigate to HKey local machine. And then once you're in HKey local machine, so I'm just going to go inside it right now. Then navigate to software. Once you're inside of software, all you want to go ahead and do is go over to policies. So I'm going to locate policies for me right now. And then once you go ahead and find policies, all you want to do is go over to Google and then Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Look for a folder or a key named Bulletin, DNS Client Enabled, or DNS over HTTPS mode. Right click and delete those keys, then restart your browser. And sometimes the browser remembers a policy even if the registry key is gone. So what we want to do is right click our Windows icon and run terminal as admin. I'm just going to run it normally though, and then paste these commands one by one and enter each one. And obviously you can pause it. So this is the number one. And then what you want to do is after you do this one and you press enter on it, go ahead and type in this one. And then after you press enter on this one, then all you got to do is type in this one here. That's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.